Hi, I'm Muhammad. My background is engineering. I've done electrical engineering, and the reason I wanted to do this course because I wanted to learn everything in the real world, and all I've done in university is a theory. So I joined the college in January 2025, and I successfully finished the gold card package. I feel like there are many opportunities, like in terms of for electrician. When I look for a job in online, there are plenty, and they're flexible, and you can work like weekdays and weekends. Is your choice, and that's why I choose this one to do. I gained like level 2 and level 3, and I finished also inspection testing 18 edition and part P. And after all, I gained a lot of skills in terms of practical knowledge and standard British standards, all the regulations, and how I can install in a proper way, legally stuff. And it is completely different than what I thought before. The boss was interesting. Boss was like encouraging, especially we had 3 days class, theory, and then we had 2 days a week. We had a practical, basically what we learned in the class, and like the next day we were going to the workshop and do practically and implement on the board, and it was quite helping. For me, in inspection and testing and 18 edition was quite tough, and it's required too much practice and studying, and needs a lot of effort to put on that course to gain it. Basically, you involve with so many regulations and so many standards, and you need to remember and how you explore in a book, and then later you can use in your job. Yeah, the team was like all the staff in lane trader skills are very friendly. When I send the email straight away, they reply to my email same day. They're very quick and efficient, and the teachers are really experienced, so they're quite helpful. Lloyd is good. Honestly, they're all good. Lloyd is good. Paul is really good. Paul is really good. He does know his job. Yeah, I do. Yeah, it's quite a friendly environment. You start nicely, but it's required too much effort. You need to study more, and like concentrate in the class, see what teacher is saying. Then in the workshop, see what teacher is saying also to do properly, and you need to practice at home as well. It's quite challenging because I'm not qualified at the moment, but I'm doing my MBQ, so MBQ portfolio. It is good, so many opportunities. Like when I look for a job online, at the moment I'm looking for electrician mate, and the payment is quite fair. It's fluctuate between 14 to 18 pound per hour. Just let's say full electrician get 25 pound per hour. I would say I tried already, but hopefully I get soon. Honestly, this college is really good. It's got friendly staff and proper, enough workshop for everyone, and they got different workshop for the different units, and very good teachers, and also they've got enough parking space if you want to come with a car. Do you want to struggle because so many colleges don't have the parking space, but it's a good place to learn.